bro, help me and choose, red or black? What's going on? Why are you lost in thoughts?
We are not real.
I don't understand. What do you mean by we are not real?
We are nothing but the product of a certain content creator that looks like us but isn't us.
I don't understand what you're saying, Walai.
That's exactly my point. You don't understand what I'm saying because you have been made not to. But the viewers will.
What do you mean by viewers? Are you seeing any camera here or are we live?
Try to understand this. We have been made to live in a scripted reality where I'm the wisdom man and you are just some guy that has been made by our creator to react to whatever I say.
Hey, see this one, you think everything is about you. It's like your Uncle Los.
Bro, can you open your eyes and understand the fact that we are nothing but fictional characters that have been created for the entertainment of people that are watching us right now?
Okay, that does it. I'm done with this conversation. I don't have your time.
Wait. Let me ask you a question.
What is that?
What is my name?
Well, the last time I checked, you call yourself the Wisdom Man.
Have I ever told you that my name is Wisdom Man or you just knew it? Why are there sound effects and songs in our reality? Do I have parents? Do you have parents? In fact, what is your name?
Well, that one is simple. My name is...
Exactly.
No, that can't be possible. You're playing with me.
Even if you had the name, it will be given to you by the content creator.
Who could this person be?
Well, I am yet to discover that. But first, we must come to terms with the fact that this whole moment has been captured and posted in a certain realm called social media, where this version of us is going to relive this moment for the rest of eternity.
What kind of mean person will want to put us through this?
Don't worry about it. We won't know when it happens. But as for you viewers, I know you are watching me. But I want you to know that you have been breathing all this while on autopilot. And now I have made it to start breathing manually. Fear my return, for the Wisdom Man is back.
I've heard everything people have been saying, but I'm here to do my job, and that is...
And you be some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. Pussy wet like sinner.
Yeah, now find me something before I go.
Daddy, cause now you dey boost my adrenaline.
I take 10K.
For what?
I don't understand.
Okay.
Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary?
So, after coming to your place, you're giving me ordinary 10K. For what?
Oh, wait, though. I didn't tell you to come to my house now. You're the one that wanted to come.
And so? See, if you don't find me something better now, this friendship is over.
Oh, wait, though. What have you done for me as a friend? Better take this money now before I change my mind.
See, if I count 1 to 5, if you don't give me something better, I'm out of here.
Let me hear me, are you there?
1.
Some people don't know me.
2. Hello, mommy, I'm coming.
Okay, as you are coming, help me stop by at house too, and collect 10,000 rand from a young man.
Is it the 100?
Yes. You know there's no food in the house. There's nothing, so it will really go a long way.
Okay, mom.
You can wish.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Mommy said I should collect 10K from you.
Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary?
I'll take.
I'm a barrage.
Also.
Ebelebo to Bantaye, my son, why are you here?
Why am I here?
Now here did they run anything we want.
Okay, now here did they run am. Wow. Okay, young man, I am Pastor Devwin. I hear say una they do fake juju for here.
Who be that?
You and your gods, not be your gods. Not be your gods. God. Your gods don't. Your gods don't run. Now today we catch you. So who they run am?
No be me.
Who they run am?
It don't run. Who they run and don't run?
I said that is good.
Who they run and don't run?
Who they run and don't run? I need that. My runner for you. My son. Now here we run. Hey, now here we run. Now here we run. I come on here.
Okay.
Now here we run.
23, 24, Chippy, I tell them.
Okay, no. Don't run. How will you put edge up on that telephone? Jesus.
Madam, calm down. Why are you shouting? Okay, which phone are you using again?
I take.
Maybe I tell you there is the panel. Madam, please don't judge me.
Panel of judges.
Jesus.
See, all I want for my son's phone to be fixed.
Madam, you are so rude. The way you are sounding, like I know the kind of phone you are using. Is it not techno?
How you take no?
Madam, it is my work. I know the kind of phone Black Bones is using. Is it not Blackberry, including Malik Berry?
Sensational. So how will you fix my son's phone?
Well, we just need to change the batteries. Jennifer,
My lord,
bring in the batteries.
Jesus!
Corona battery for ID phone. If I sound you, battery will go slim fit.
They play. Just they play.
She tell me when you leave, come.
Listen, son. About that, anything that has to do with Bitcoin, trade with Ether coin. They are very fast and reliable.
Naija they see you. Naija they see you.
Hello, hi. Since you're having issues with your car, see, don't worry, I'll fix it for you. And I don't want anything in return. I only want your number.
You know your own problem is woman.
Cause you're so beautiful.
Look at this one, I'm blocking Papa.
Yeah, that's my ride.
And money, I don't have to love money.
You jobless Nigeria youths. After my number, what next? You see me, you knock me. Then what's up? What next? Rubbish. Please.
Ashawo. No, it's not good.
Babe.
I'm up a road. Are you mad?
Babe, hit the battery here. The car should start now.
Akuna don't need package like true love. Or say any man we no do transfer now. Who love more? They say
Baby, they started!
even if I chop breakfast, it no go digest. Although I give you my best.
In fact, wait. Take this.
Babe, why did you give him that?
He should drink water and mind his business.
Hey, that's my girl.
I want to see Remeji.
Hey! What's going on here?
So at your age, you never see the fear woman.
Hello?
Hello.
You have forgotten me.
I know. Forget me too.
You say? Hello?
Aha.
No, I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore. You're not my type. Look at you and I feel like I don't love you anymore. Please. No, this is over between us.
Oh my god, babe, what happened? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. What happened to you? I mean, you're sick. Oh my god. It's malaria. Oh my god, it's malaria. Let me call the doctor. Babe, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Tell me, babe, what's wrong? So just talk to me. And now you've lost your relative. Talk to me. Say, told you I'm your best friend. Am I about your job? I'm sorry, it's okay. Hi, babe. How is that job again? You said not to leave that job if you stop. I think it's okay. It's your boss again. It's your boss. They told you to leave that job if you stop.
Hello, Philip. Alpha. At the hospital.
Hospital?
Yes, at the hospital with I come to see Donatus. They say he need blood. Say he no well. They need donate blood for him. So all of us we don't contribute money. All of us or all in friends. We don't contribute 1,000. Me self I contribute. So now you remain. So now you when I make I call you. So that make him no die. So now just 1,000 I remain.
Which Donatus they talk? Me, I did Donatus house like this with they talk. Donatus.
They don't catch me.
Officer, you knock my wife.
And you dey knock my wife.
Officer, I will turn you to yam here.
I go arrest you for here.
Officer, I will turn you to yam here.
I go arrest you for here.
DPO!
You cannot be denying me now. You cannot deny me.
See, all this one way they talk. Now you know what they talk. See, let me tell you, as far as me, I'm concerned. Me and my gods, we don't know what they talk.
Oh, really? You are joking. By the time I'm done with you,
See, Maka, I tell you. All this way they talk plenty. By the time you are done, you don't know me. I am the great Ebelebo to Pantaye.
See, forget about this your ghost. Forget about this your ghost. You cannot joke with me. You cannot joke with me. Don't worry. By the time, don't worry. I am coming back for you.
See, person why I want help. Now she no get blessed, she no get nothing. Don't be like toothpick. Call here. If no be conjugate me, and you want to do. Ebelebo to Pantaye.
Look at the man here. Look at him. Arrest him.
Okay, now the girls. Young man, you're under arrest. Move the go station. Okay, you have the right to remain silent, or anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Move the go station.
Yeah, if you touch me here, I swear the girls go strike you. You be like say the craze. Which one be say you go call here? They tell me say yeah, I'm under arrest. What did I do when one carry me come out here?
Officer, arrest him now, arrest him.
I don't go anywhere.
Hey, okay. Officer.
Wait, not even true. What did this man do you?
Officer, arrest him, let's go.
What did I do
you, Nan?
He got me pregnant. Arrest him, let's go.
Huh? Wait. You what did you talk? He got you pregnant. Wait, you the knock native doctor. Oh. Wait, you look for everybody where you gonna knock for this life now, native doctor. Even like that, young man, you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
Okay, I know they go anywhere.
Daddy, carry the calabash, I don't go to school.
You see what you just passed here. Now wait till you want born. Now that's you want born.
Nah, leave that thing. Okay, you go sexy. I'm sexy.
You not sexy, you born this thing. Okay, forget play. You're under arrest.
Officer, I know they go anywhere. You know if you tell me say na me give am belle. I'm saying how many people with me and then they knock we never carry belle. They tell me, wait, man, show you this one. See now, see this lady. We don't know for like 1 year, 6 months. Nothing don't happen. She never complain about belle. Now this one nowhere in front carry belle because they give me up. Because since inside they make money for my small shrine.
Wait, man, see that picture again.
See am now, 1 year, 6 months, nothing.
Where you see my wife? You did knock my wife. Double offense. Jesus. Young man, you're under arrest.
But then why be this?
No, my wife.
Okay, arrest him.
And she tell me say she dey single. She don't get any man in her life.
You never fuck up. How you go just anybody where you sleep with? You gonna show people. No, they do. See this girl. Me, I they sleep with her. See this, and nobody know. I'm coded.
You dey do coded with my wife picture. Officer, I want to see that picture. Bring that phone.
You sure say that?
Now she born that thing now. We pass on. My wife is. Officer, you dey knock my wife.
And you dey knock my wife.
Officer, I will turn you to yam here.
I go arrest you for here.
Officer, I will turn you to yam here.
I go arrest you for here.
DPO!
You will hear from my. I go carry officers. We go burn down this place.
You see that my girls will pass here that you go hear from them.
Person where they go school.
Now educated girls,
you go hear from me. You see, you go hear from.
You go hear from.
You go hear from.
Come on, that's you for my front. Wait, don't wound me. Come on, that thing. That's it.
I dey come for you.
Officer, where are you going to now?
Where am I going to?
But I've paid you now. Arrest this man.
Huh?
Arrest him.
I don't arrest now. You know, see situation where they now. He dey knock my wife. Me, I dey knock him own. So calm down, settle your problem. I dey come.
Officer, but I've paid you now.
I swear to God.
I'll come back for you.
I'll come back for you.
you.
Nothing go work. We better come this night to move go one more round. The girls are honey.